Hello, everyone, and I am delighted to have with me right now a group of amazing people from Esaote, the ultrasound company that Hands-On Diagnostics and the American Academy of Musculoskeletal Ultrasound have been using and have been endorsing. Why do we use Esaote equipment in our courses, and why we decided to endorse the company of Esaote? First of all, because their equipment is absolutely the cutting edge of technology. Number two, because their prices are affordable to all of you who want to pursue the area of musculoskeletal ultrasound technology. And number three, because their support and customer service is unparalleled to anything I have seen in this industry. So I am delighted to have with me today Chiara Leone from the global marketing of Esaote, all the way from Italy. We have also Stephanie Cantor, who is the new marketing manager of Esaote in North America, and Joe Bjorkland, who is the ultrasound manager of Esaote North America. And let's start with you, Chiara. How are you? Thank you for joining us all the way from Italy today.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Awesome. And can you give us some information about the whole history and the market focus of the company?
Sure. I will share my screen, so maybe you can see, you will see the presentation.
Awesome. Very good. We can see that.
Okay, perfect. So we can see a brief introduction. I will explain to you a brief introduction about Esaote origins and Esaote history. Then the history of Esaote is an history of technology and innovation. And Esaote was born inside the Ansaldo Group in Italy 40 years ago. Ansaldo Group is the most important mechanical group in Italy. And the idea comes from Professor Carlo Castellano, who wants to build a company in the biomechanical field. So after 10 years of research, the internationalization process started. And actually, Biosound has been the first acquisition for USA. So far from 1994, we had 3 different management buyouts. And 2 years ago, Esaote was acquired from a consortium of leading Chinese investors. Then innovation and research are in our blood and actually are the key drivers for our continuous improvements. Think that up to 10% of sales revenues are invested in this field, and more than 20% of employees work in this area. Esaote Group has several research and development sites and also production sites, not just in Italy, but also in Netherlands. And the ones that we would like to share with you and to underline are the centers of excellence for probes production. Why are they important? Because our mission is to produce innovation and is to embed advanced technologies in ultrasound probes for a high image quality. Then the innovation is Italian, but the design, the probes ergonomics too. Looking at our past, we are the inventor of very high frequency probes, and we were also in 3 different space missions between 1992 and 1995, thanks to our MyLab 30, which is one of our first portable devices. So, as I already explained to you, Esaote nowadays in the world has several research and development centers, but also different production sites. We count more than 1,000 employees, and we have 14 different subsidiaries worldwide as a leading company in diagnostic imaging. And we have also 80 local dealers. In conclusion, I will say that Esaote is an Italian company and has been designing, creating, and producing innovation for almost 40 years. And we offer 3 different kinds of products: ultrasound, which is the focus of our presentation, dedicated MRI, and we are also provider of healthcare IT. Now, thank you. I will leave the presentation to Stephanie.
Okay, thank you, Chiara. And Stephanie, as she is going to unmute her microphone right
sorry.
now, I want to tell you, Chiara, how impressed I am with the innovation and the vision that the company has for the future. And definitely we are looking very much forward for the new advancements in technology that you guys have to bring. And Stephanie, I would like to just get an idea from you in terms of what is the portfolio, the product portfolio in ultrasound technology of Esaote, because some of our attendees of this event, they may not just be only small private practice clinics, but may be part of larger organizations, hospital organizations, where they want to see a variety of ultrasound technology products. So give us an idea of your portfolio, please.
Sure. So as you can see, it's a very diverse portfolio, everything from portables to cart-based ultrasound systems. The legacy of Esaote obviously is in innovation and pioneering, specifically for MSK, of course, with inventing the high-frequency portable probes. Our systems are equipped with robust feature sets for a multitude of applications. So there's high-frequency linear transducers up to 22 megahertz for our portables and 24 megahertz for our higher-end cart-based systems. Because of this scalability in feature sets, it obviously lends itself to shared service, general imaging, cardiology, but MSK, obviously, we're very well situated to provide a scalable solution for a small practice or a hospital. Okay. And as I mentioned before, we've been, obviously pioneering for a very long time in MSK specifically, being a partner of MSK Professional since 1995, and also the probes that I'd referenced and Chiara had also spoken to. And, as an aside, obviously, there was a first, we were the first for producing a dedicated MRI device in 1992. And some of the feature sets, so as you can see, these can also be helpful in shared service, but the power Doppler obviously is perfect for rheumatology, for accessing and or assessing joint inflammation. These systems are equipped with advanced needle visualization as well and superior imaging quality, which helps to enable customers to feel an elevated sense of diagnostic confidence and provide the best standard of care for their patients. Here we have a closer look at other advanced feature sets available on our portable systems. Our portable systems are uniquely suited to MSK, like I said before, and at an accessible price point. And that's important for office all the way up to the hospital system.
Joe, as you are unmuting your microphone, and I want to just say, and Stephanie, thank you so much for everything you shared. I want to say that Joe and I worked for several months to put together a strong partnership with Esaote and Hands-on Diagnostics and the American Academy of Musculoskeletal Ultrasound. Joe, please give us the details. I know that you guys have helped already many of the people affiliated with our organizations, but just give to everyone right now some of the specifications about our partnership approach.
Very good. Yes, what we did is, as we talked through the partnership opportunities with Hands-on Diagnostics and its affiliates, and then talking to various clinicians within the group as well, we wanted to provide a standard configuration and pricing so that there was consistency amongst the Hands-on Diagnostic affiliates in terms of what they get at what price points. And what the slide that is showing right now is the standard configuration and pricing. This is what's available in the United States. Obviously, if it's an international purchase, we can work with our affiliates internationally to get comparable pricing, accounting for tariffs and taxes and things like that. But this is a standard configuration. It can be added to, it can be subtracted from, but what we've seen is about 80% of the practices that are ordering this tends to be the standard configuration. It includes a 3-year warranty standard, our eCare warranty, which provides the customer support and service Demetrius referenced earlier. Okay, Kira? In terms of partnership, through a long series of discussions, we've reached agreement with Hands-on Diagnostics to support not only the hands-on seminars, hands-on workshops with equipment, clinical support, but also sponsored events through the American Institute of Ultrasound and Medicine. And we will also be advertising where members can learn more about our technology through the Diagnostics for PT magazine. In terms of our mission, it's pretty simple. What we try to do, our mission is to provide the most advanced diagnostic capabilities we can at the highest value price point available. So really, if you look at what is Esaote's philosophy in the market, it's to provide clinicians all the advanced tools they need to provide from basic to very advanced diagnosis at a price point that makes it affordable for all specialties. Our development goals going forward very much align with this. What we constantly are looking at is how can we improve care, lower cost, and ultimately improve outcomes for patients. That's sort of the mission, is how can we affordably change outcomes and give clinicians the tools they need to be successful, including the specialties like physical therapy going forward. If anyone has any questions, feel free to reach out to me or Stephanie or Chiara to learn more. If you need any help in terms of understanding who your local representation is, who your local clinical support is, we can certainly provide that. And again, we'd like to say very much, Demetrius, that we appreciate this partnership as well and look forward to working with your affiliates.
We do too, and I want to thank you all for joining me in this presentation and enlightening our members about your product, the capabilities of your product, the easy to use, the value and affordability, the high technology standards, and the amazing customer service that you guys provide. We're looking forward working with you guys in the years to come. Thank you for joining us and supporting also this international conference. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.